Okay, this customer complained because she says there's a noise coming out of the brake pedal. So basically, I'm
Close,
gonna show
close this door.
what she complaining about. Okay, when we step on the brake, there's a puff. It goes. Psst. That's it. The pedal is fine. The height of the pedal is fine. Nothing else is wrong. So I told her that this is normal. We're going to check two more cars that we have in the shop. Similar to these. This is a 430. It's also Spider. And that one. Actually, this one is louder than hers. This is car number 2. Car number 3 is a 430. They actually, these are the same year. Ferrari of this era and this configuration. 360 here and 430 here. And probably if I do the same with this one, it's probably the same thing. It's completely normal.